Hello students. We have learned from previous videos that endocrine system is a network of glands and organs present in different regions of the body. These glands and organs control body functions through the hormones that they release. We learned about the locations of glands in the body. For example, the pituitary gland is located in the brain, while glands like thyroid, pancreas, and adrenals are located in the abdomen. Today, let us see the glands located below the abdomen, which are the testes in males and ovaries in females. These glands regulate the pubertal changes and sexual reproduction. So the question is, what is puberty? Look at the screen. What do you observe? You are observing the changes which these adolescents are experiencing. These changes are called pubertal changes. Puberty is the period of transition of boys and girls from childhood to adulthood. During this stage, the body changes and develops, making the individual sexually mature. This process happens between the age of 10 to 14 for girls and 12 to 16 for boys. Adolescence begins at puberty. Have you ever thought how the body of a girl or a boy knows that it's the time to undertake pubertal changes? Or to start the production of gametes? Changes related to puberty occur because of hormones produced by the reproductive organs, that is, testes in male and ovaries in females. Testes secrete only one male hormone called testosterone, while ovaries secrete two hormones called estrogen and progesterone. As these hormones are produced by the reproductive organs and play very important roles in sexual reproduction, they are called sex hormones. Now, let us see in detail about the reproductive organs or glands in males and females. They are also known as the gonads. First, let's see about the testes. Testes are the reproductive organ of the males. They are composed of seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells, and Sertoli cells. Students, the name seminiferous is given as the process of spermatogenesis or sperm production occurs in these tubules. Leydig cells produce testosterone. They are present outside these seminiferous tubules. In boys, testosterone facilitates spermatogenesis in the testes. Testosterone hormone also helps in the development of secondary sexual characteristics such as the enlargement of the larynx and the thickening of voice and the growth of facial hair like mustache and beard. It increases the production of proteins and increases muscle development. Now, let's see about ovaries. Ovaries are the female reproductive organs located in the lower abdomen between the hip bones. There are two ovaries, one on the either side of the uterus. Ovaries produce eggs and secrete the female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is produced by the Graafian follicles, while progesterone is produced in the corpus luteum. In girls, estrogen initiates the process of oogenesis, that is, the production of ova or eggs. Estrogen promotes the development of secondary sexual characteristics such as widening of hips and the development of breasts. Progesterone is responsible for premenstrual changes of the uterus. Progesterone also helps in the development of the embryo during pregnancy and also maintains pregnancy. Now, the production of sex hormones is controlled by the most important gland of our body, which is located in the brain, that is, the pituitary gland. As you already know, the pituitary gland is the master gland, which regulates all the glands of our body, including the testes and ovaries. Pituitary releases gonadotrophin hormones in the bloodstream, which in turn reach the reproductive organs, testes and ovaries, and give them the message to release their sex hormones, that is, testosterone from testes and estrogen and progesterone from ovaries. So, the pituitary controls the production of estrogen and progesterone in women and testosterone in men. Thus, in turn, controls all functions associated with reproduction, including the production of gametes and the secondary sexual characteristics. So students, we have learned that there are reproductive glands or sex glands, testes in male and ovaries in females. Both the glands produce sex hormones, which control pubertal changes and reproduction in humans. Production of testosterone by testes and estrogen and progesterone by ovaries is controlled by the master gland, the pituitary. Now, let us have a bird's eye view of the whole endocrine system and its hormones and their functions. Hypothalamus produces antidiuretic hormone which acts on the kidney to regulate fluid balance. Pituitary gland produces 9 different hormones which control growth and regulate other glands. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine hormone, that is T3 and T4, which affects the metabolism of the body. Pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, which affect on blood sugar level. Adrenal gland produces epinephrine, which affect on heart rate and blood pressure. Testis produces testosterone, which is responsible for production of sperm and male characteristics. Ovaries produces estrogen and progesterone, which produces eggs and female characteristics.